back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I'm not in the kitchen. I'm outside in the beautiful open planet. Yeah, and not only that, today is just a beautiful day. You can see the sun. The sky is just amazing. So anyway, on my menu today, I want to make you guys a lovely Caribbean daiquiri, especially if you're out in the back garden hangout with your friend, you know what I mean? And you want to make yourself a nice, lovely Caribbean daiquiri. This is where Chef Ricardo come and fill that gap. Remember, subscribe, click on the notification bell, follow me on Instagram or Facebook page, and visit my website. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Stay tuned. So, right over here, come over with the camera. I'm gonna show you all of the ingredients which I have. Beautiful takeaway. Beautiful one. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. So basically, as I said, Caribbean daiquiri is gonna be ripe banana, strawberry. You can use orange juice, and I'm using pineapple juice today with some syrup and a shot of the Caribbean dark rum. So it's gonna be amazing. So let's dig in straight into it, guys, to make you know exactly what's going on. First of all, you need a blender. It's very important to have a blender, and I'm gonna be using some strawberry and ripe banana right here. I got it in my freezer for you know what I mean? Yeah. You can get this at the local shop or the supermarket, or you can cut up your own fresh strawberry, your own organic banana, and also put it into your freezer and use it wherever you like to use it. But today we're just gonna dig into it to show you exactly what is taking place in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is simple, put some of this lovely fruits, you know what I mean, straight inside of my blender, as you can see right here. Simple one. With this beautiful Caribbean daiquiri, guys, honestly, it's going to be an amazing one. But I'm gonna be showing you what exactly you can. I'm gonna put some pineapple juice in it. As I said, you can use orange juice, but I'm using pineapple. And I'm gonna be putting a teaspoon of syrup inside of it. You can use honey if you like. And also, I'm gonna be putting a shot of my dark Caribbean rum, which is very, very good. You can use that's too much, Chef Ricardo. Be careful, all right, because the sun is very hot. I don't want to get myself, you know what I mean? Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simple blend it. Fantastic. As you can see, right here I have my glass ready. It's just amazing. Look at this, guys. Fantastic. Really lovely and nice, and I just love it. It's just amazing. So if you're in the back garden hangout, this is exactly what you need to make in this hot weather. It's just amazing. So please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and also leave your comments in the description box. As I said, my name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world that you guys can have something to make at home. I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.